Alright, got a 1990 Nissan 240. Rough idle, real rough. Varies up and down. I just changed, got 4 brand new injectors. I had an injector go bad. Changed all 4 injectors. That's when it started to run like this. Clean the mass airflow. Check TPS. It seems to be okay. Not quite sure exactly, but it seems to be working as far as voltage wise. But check for vacuum leaks. Couldn't find none. But let me fire it up and let y'all see. As you can see, it varies up and down. Before the injector went, it would idle at about 800, no issues. Changed all 4 injectors, and this is what happened. Not exactly sure what it is. Could use your help. Appreciate it, guys. I mean, even if you hit the gas, the car falls flat on its face. I mean, you can hear it. Stumbles real bad. But yeah, that's it.